I've put it down and I don't know where I've put it. Somewhere in the house. And it's gone walkabout. Back in a second. Hello fellow yarn lovers, welcome to day 5 and 6. I have 5 here, 5 down there on the smaller one, so let's get into it. Let me get into it. Oh my god. Ooh! It matches my trousers today. My trousers. I don't know what brand it is. Feels nice. Oh, Yarn Art Elite. I don't believe I've ever had any of this. Let's have a look at some of the details on this. Yarn Art Elite. It's so soft. It is literally softer than... There's bubble wrap on the floor. It is softer than Signet Pat or DK. It's a lot softer than good old-fashioned DK. And it is softer than that Papatia cotton one. That is really soft. I've never actually used Yarn Art Elite. I saw a lot of it in Turkey, in Istanbul. Anyway, the details, 100 grams, 300 meters, 328 yards if you work in yards. But yeah, that's really soft. It kind of has a teensy bit of a fuzz. So I'm just wondering, would it pill if you used it? But like if you're going for a garment that would suit looking a little bit pilled, then maybe that won't bother you. Even scarves made of this, like that is like so squishable and nice. So I wasn't expecting that. That will blend in well with pretty much anything from my autumny colours or even from my greens. So yes, this will definitely get some use in the coming year. Anyway, right, let's move on. Let's move on to the other calendar. Let me just grab it. Number 6 is literally like bursting. Anyway, right, it's number 5. It's this gingerbread man. Let me just, oh my god, number 6 tomorrow. Okay, so number 5. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Oh, it's like a chenille, whatever you call it. A little fluffy squish. So let's have a look. Hang on, that's like chenille. We just put it there where it's not going to get lost. This looks cottony. Red and white. I'm guessing Santa, maybe? Is that like Santa's beard? There's a pattern. It's a stocking. Oh, look at this. Let me cover the pattern. It's a little stocking. Oh, that's cute. And then maybe if I learn how to do this, I can make a big one, even though I do have quite a nice stocking anyway, but like, you know, you can never have too many. Plus, if I've got this pattern, I could make a little garland with like loads of them. That would be so cool for my classroom. Although by the time I make it, it's probably going to be like January, possibly even next Christmas. But that's actually so handy. I think what I might do is for like, because I'm literally going to have, and I'm assuming I'm going to have like 24 patterns once I've opened all of these. I'm just assuming, because there could be sweets in one of them, but I don't know. So I don't want to keep them all in here all year. I might just like flatten them nicely and then put them in like a little folder or something and just keep them up on my pattern shelf, which you can't really see at the minute. So if you can, that's the other phone I was using for TikTok. They see my pattern shelf. There's like so much yarn up there. I've got loads of books and stuff. I've just put yesterday's book up there. My Wit Knits book has gone up there. By the way, if you didn't like, so yesterday I'd said that some people have paid, like got this book on eBay for like 40 quid and 60 quid and stuff. I didn't pay that. So just to make it clear, I didn't pay 40 or 60 quid for that book. I literally paid about £5 because there was an auction, and I was just like, oh, I'll just put a bet on because it's only 3 quid. Let me just grab the book. There was an auction on for like 3 quid, and I just put in 3 quid, and it was like £2 delivery or something. And then I forgot about it, to be honest, because it still had about 5 or 6 days. And then I put in the bids, and then it just went on. And then I got a notification, you have won this, please pay for it. And I was like, what? I haven't bid on anything on eBay, but I did, and it was this. So yeah, just in case you watched yesterday and you thought £40 on a book from the 80s, that's a lot. No, I didn't pay that. It was worth every part of that £5 because yeah, I've actually had a proper look through it now, and it is Joanna Lumley, it's the lady from Playdays, it is Timmy Mallet. So yeah, if you haven't got Wit Knits yet, sorry, I got the cheapest one on eBay. You guys will probably have to pay £40. Anyway, right, that was day 5. So day 6 is coming up right now. Okay, it's day 6. I'm aware that I've been wearing the same cardigan for pretty much every video, but like, I don't know why, I'm just obsessed with this cardigan. I made it back in February, and I do have a tutorial for it, and I'll link it down below. Like, I think I linked it in other videos, but like, I'm literally obsessed with it, and I don't know why. I went months and months, like, not really liking it and thinking, oh, I'm not going to wear that. But then, like, it's my one with the hearts on the back. And it's just so comfy. I wear it for work and everywhere. And I think it's because it's shorter than all my other cardigans. and I just like it. It just feels like nice. So anyway, for Valentine's Day, as a present to myself, I'm going to make myself a pink version. So I won't need to tutorial it because I have a tutorial, but I can vlog it if anybody's interested in that. I was thinking like maybe white with like pinks. So I don't know if I'm going to have hot pink or like baby pink, but anyway, I've got loads of hot pink actually. I could do hot pink with white hearts, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, right, it is day 6. So let's get these calendars open. I'm just absolutely making sure that this is number 6 and it's not number 9, right? So it literally says yarn, I can read it. So, right, let's open this up. Oh, I just ripped the wrong bit. Wow, what's this? I've just ripped some of it off. No, this is really nice. Oh my God, look at this colour. I have no idea what this is. Ooh, and a Mawam. A Mawam. Oh. Let me just, Signet DK, so deluxe. I don't think I've had any of this. I've just completely ruined it when I've pulled out there. But we have a Mawam, which I will enjoy later. I'll just put this here. Right, so you probably want some details about this. Let me get them for you. So the deets are as follows. Deluxe Signet DK. It is 298 meters. It is superior acrylic. We get premium acrylic, but this is superior acrylic. It is wash at 40. It is basically, it's just your everyday average acrylic DK. So it's got the softness, it's got the squish. It smells not old, like, that's the wrong word. It's, you know when you can smell old books in a library? It just had the smallest hint of that, but clean. Anyway, yeah, so that's that. It's got like a bit of a hint, like some colour to it. Like, how do I explain it? It's twisted around with pinks and blues, so not just like purple. So it's nice, yeah. I can think of ideas to use this for. So maybe like in like a blanket or something, if you were going to alternate it with like a lighter colour, and then maybe like a purple, like a lighter purple colour, or maybe like a medium purple colour, that would blend in quite nicely. It would probably even blend in if you did pink and blue. So yes, I will find somewhere to use this. It is pretty. We've got the other calendar to do now, so let me just grab it. So this is today. Oh my God, I get to open number 6 today. It's been bursting all week. Right, burst out, little one. Oh, orange. Now, orange is not very Christmassy. Let's have a look at this. Oh my God, it's literally been dying to get out. Let me just get that. It looks like a little piece of stuffing. So a bit of stuff in there. Very light. We've got a little bit of orange. Don't know what that could be used for. I know what this could be used for. We've got some, I've just seen the little eyes. There's some little eyes in it. Oh, I think it's eyes. Is it eyes? It's just black, but then like smaller ones. And then we've got, this feels cottony, so I've got some cotton in black. That's quite heavy, about 40 grams there. We've got quite a lot of white. Got the stuffing, quite a lot of white, and it's like sparkly. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. It's sparkly white. I think it's more of the King Cole stuff that we got earlier on in the week. And we've got a pattern. So let me put this down. As always, I'm going to cover the pattern. But if there's a picture, I'm going to show you the picture. It is a little snowman head. So yeah, that's cool. So a top hat, a snowman face, and then obviously all the little button things are to put his little teeth and his little smile and his eyes. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. I don't know if I'd hang it on my tree. I'd probably be really tempted once I've made it to put it in my classroom, because I think I'm the only teacher in the school who's went a bit mad about Christmas. Tinsel and trees everywhere. This is not going back in. Bloody hell. I'm going to put the stuff in somewhere safe, because that is not going back in. Once I've made them all, like, they'll be able to, these will be empty, and there'll just be patterns in here until I figure out where I can store my patterns. Get back in there. Right, okay, so, yeah, that's really nice. I like that. So let me just give you an update on shenanigans that have been going on. Put this down again. So shenanigans, right, so I've got loads of these little squares that I'm making a cardigan with. I think I'm currently up to about 46. So I've got 14 left to do until I hit 60, but I'm pretty sure I need 63. So I've been on Pinterest, and if I can put it here, which I probably can, here is like the arrangement of all of these squares that I'm going to use. It should still be on the screen now. I need 25 for the back panel, then I need 20 in total for the 2 front panels. And then according to the pattern, it's like I need, like, for the arms, but hang on. It says I just need 3, so it'll be like 1, 2, 3. and then I might just, so that I can do decreases once I've got like, it only has 9 for each arm. I think, hang on, this will be like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I'll probably just do 3 and then I can decrease. I don't know, I don't even know what I'm going to do. I wasn't even going to tutorial it. I was just going to tutorial this, and then maybe I'll just stick it like in a like making a cardigan from squares video. I don't know, but I want it. It needs to be done before Christmas. It needs to be done before we break up from school, because I want to be wearing it, because I just wear this all the time and I feel like I'm a Simpsons character, because I'm literally in like either like this or I just take it off. So it's just this cardigan that I wear all the time. I'll get it done, don't worry. I'll update you. I think it'll be either Sunday or Monday when I'll put up the next calendar opening video. But I hope you're enjoying it so far. Like, let me know if you have been watching all of my openings so far. What do you think is the best one? I'm going to make a video tomorrow that has all of the like the baubles, so I'll be filming the video tomorrow that's had all of like the baubles from days 1 to 6. Fingers crossed I get them done. I don't know if I'll be able to do it next weekend, because we're going to the Christmas wool show next weekend, so I can't wait. I can't remember if it's the Saturday or Sunday. I bought the tickets, they were not very expensive, only like £6-ish each, or £6.50. And I messaged and I emailed and I was like, can I vlog please? And they're like, yes, of course you can vlog. So that vlog will be coming out probably like maybe the day or 2 after I've been. Oh, I've got another exciting thing. So you know, there's the cat pattern, like the cat stitch, and there's loads of people that have done scarves and blah 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 of the cat stitch. Well, my brain did something. I actually dreamed this, and I don't even know how my brain works to do this, and this I will have to tutorial it, because I want to make myself a blanket of this. So I took the cat stitch, and it's still attached, it's still attached here, and I managed to make a square out of the cat stitch, and I don't even know how I did it. So you can see all the kitties in the middle there, like all the kitties, it's still attached. So I might just continue with this, but I feel like I need to do a tutorial on this cat stitch, because I don't think anybody's made it into a square, and if they have, apologies, but like I couldn't find it anywhere, and I was like, I wonder if I could do that, and I did, and I turned it into a square. And that was me I wasn't even procrastinating, I was on a side quest because I needed to do it. But yeah, so I will do a tutorial for this. It is exciting. There will be like, you can make cat blankets. You can even start them with like a cat square in the middle. But yeah, that's just on my pile of to-do list. So that was the exciting bit of news, which fingers crossed I'll be able to get that out. Maybe just as a simple square tutorial. I'll have to, I can't write patterns down, and I'm going to have to freaking learn. But yeah, so that will be coming out at some point in the next, like, I'm going to say month, because when I promise things to come out in 2 weeks, it never happens. So I will definitely do that, because like, it's really cool, and I did it, and it needs attention, and people will probably want to do it when they see it, like, oh my god, I need a cat blanket in my life, because who doesn't? Anyway, I'm waffling, so I'm going to stop waffling. I'm going to stop taking up too much of your time. I'm pleased with this. I'm pleased with my snowman. I'm pleased with the ones I got yesterday, which were pretty cool, which was like the yarn art, and then the other little cute bauble that we got in there. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm really enjoying opening the calendars, so I'm enjoying getting my big balls of yarn. My big balls of yarn here, so we've got 6 so far. There's still like another like 18 to go, which is fabulous. And then we've got another 18 days to go on the little bauble one, so yay, this is like so much fun. I do have chocolates that I'm doing, but we're not talking about chocolates. Chocolates are boring. Anyway, I've taken up far too much of your time now. I only want this to be like a less than 15-minute video every time I upload. So next upload is either going to be Sunday night or Monday night. It just depends how much I can fit into this weekend, because it's going to be a busy one. So anyway, I'm going to see you guys in the next opening video. Bye!